Hello, hi, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
I'm so fantastic recently, but I think you all look like so fantastic, so awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Kesa. I'm from India.
Nice to meet you. My name's
Nice.
Mariah.
Yeah, tell me again.
Mariah.
So please tell what is the spell?
Yes, of course.
Uh, I have seen, but still I wanna know. M
Yeah,
Y
for
R
sure.
E. Yeah, acha. So
Mariah.
yeah, so how old are you, ma'am?
I'm 26.
26. Are you
hmm
married?
No, no. What about
No.
you? How old are you?
I'm 20-year-old are recently, but I've completed. I'm over. No, 20-year-old are.
20 years old?
Yeah, 20-year-old
Nice.
recently.
Yeah.
So
And are you
fantastic.
married?
No, I'm not planning for getting married because married life is busy life,
Yeah.
So that's why I'm not fond of marriage. I'm fond of educations. I wanna get a knowledge about a Cambly app, about how to conversation with Cambly peoples, teachers, qualified teachers. I'm getting new
hmm
new peoples, new teachers, and various peoples we are getting on Cambly, as well as my fluent is growing day by day, but I can't force. I can't judge my knowledge, but still that time once upon a time and echo 5 months I had no any knowledge about English, but since I started my Cambly app, I think I've been getting knowledge
That's
via
good.
Cambly app. That's so
Yeah.
fantastic
So
for help us.
you think you finding it very helpful?
Yeah, has a fun day. But I've been hardworking for many days, but since I started Cambly conversation with you, with the various teachers, so I'm getting new knowledge and new scenarios. I'm seeing new face seeing on the Cambly, and
hmm
so my inside hesitation is taking out gradually.
That's awesome. Perfect.
Yeah.
So, would you like to do your lesson?
My lesson is recently normal talking, not
Normal talking? Okay. Because on the screen it says you've requested a lesson plan for the IELTS.
yeah. I'll say charm. I think it's very challenging for us, but still we will fast and not fast and a family and sorry I'll say exam, but it's I have never tried about I'll say exam, but whenever I will get an opportunities for going to into camp, I'll say exam, so I will never procrastinations in this examinations. So have you qualified I'll say exam?
No, no, to be honest. I'm qualified to teach you English on Cambly, but I know very little about the IELTS exam.
Yeah, that's so fantastic. So do you have boyfriend?
I do,
I think
yes.
you
Yeah.
have. So how does he look like? Something
How does
like
he,
you as a
what does he look like?
yeah.
Yeah. See if I have a picture.
Back behind.
That's him.
Oh yeah. I know. So awesome, healthy. Yeah,
Healthy. Yeah.
healthy. Bodybuilding something.
Yeah. Little. Yeah. Yeah. And do you have a girlfriend?
Unfortunately, I don't have any GF because I'm focusing on a study. That's why I'm not getting time for getting making girlfriends, friends. Even I don't have any friends. My friends are Cambly friends.
Cambly friends?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
because
that's good.
Cambly friends. I think is help us and valuables. I think, we can get a knowledge as well we can provide knowledge
Mhm.
Cambly we can up downs that self. gradually. But unnecessary friends, I don't like.
Mm.
They talk to unnecessary. You don't have any ideas. But I mean, like normal friends, our mind demotivations.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Mm-hmm.
why. But see, my real friends, I know education systems. It's very fantastic and very awesome. Unfortunately, I will make a girlfriends, boyfriends, so I don't lie. Such as this line is very bad until 20 and 25 year till.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this life is just fantastic. We can make our future, we can make our life, we can make money more and more in this within 20 and 25 year till.
Mm-hmm.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Actually, because I as well as I have a channels, YouTube channels, Cambly Conversation. So could I upload videos, this upload videos on the Cambly
On the
YouTube
YouTube
channel?
video? Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, because first of all, should ask about you. I think you don't have any issue because you are uploading my videos on the YouTube channels. That's why first of all I asked you
Okay.
before.
Thank you. I appreciate
Yeah.
that. You're not the first person to ask me. Yeah, a couple other
That's
people do
why
it too. Yeah, but thank you. I do appreciate you asking me. Yeah.
I'm too video.
So
So
go on.
yeah, absolutely. How many members are in your family?
I have 5 members of my family, including myself.
And include yourself and sister brothers.
I have
Uh,
2 brothers,
Excellent.
and they're both younger than me.
Yeah. Are you elder sister? Yeah, youngers,
So
biggest your brothers.
I'm the older sister.
Older sisters. I think you are biggest older in your family.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm the biggest.
yeah. I'm two. I'm two.
You are too?
In here, yeah, absolutely. I have a 5 sibling, include me. I have one sister, 4 brothers. I'm elder, biggest elder on my uh, than my brothers
I'm the oldest.
because I have a oldest. Yeah, oldest. I am the oldest. Absolutely. So I have a more responsibilities. I make a future, make a money. So I'm too hardworking for
Mm-hmm.
this. I'm too having too hardworking. So it's a responsibilities. It's a oldest brother in a family and a father and oldest son. Something responsibility and beauty responsibilities as well as we have to complete these responsibilities. My family expectation on me because capable hardworking, capable making money
Mm-hmm.
more and more. Then he will decorate the house, building the house because I belong to more poor family,
Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
penniless family. But still I think I have mind. That's why I'm using mind. I may more money. I may make a more money after 1 year, 3 year.
Mm-hmm.
It's a for challenging. I will not procrastination my product, my my life changing sections as well as it's a something because I'm sharing with you because I've never shared something such as
Mm-hmm.
talk.
Yeah.
Because yes, because it's not this is my personal thinking because I'm a poor man. It's not I'm a penniless. Never share secret. Never share such a thing. But so I'm share because I have my thoughts. My hearts don't listen to me. Coach don't. You can share with Cambly
Mm-hmm.
teachers something because they can help something how to grow business, how to start business. So let tell me
Yes, of course. So do you work with your family? Is that what you were saying?
recently and eventually um, I'm studying right now
Mm-hmm.
preparation on English preparation as well. I'm preparation in an accent, British accent, American accent is my target.
Okay. So you're studying British and American accents. Cool. So Cambly must be helping.
Yeah, more. मुझे biggest help us because since I started my fluency something my hesitation has been taken out in my
Mm.
heart because I can conversation face to face and calling. It's my something my challenge and taken
Mm-hmm.
out. I don't know how, but I can say because 100% credit to Cambly app.
Yeah. Nice. So are you studying at university?
Yeah, I'm studying in universities BA third year in this year.
Mm-hmm. And
BA third
okay,
year.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
What do you want to do when you finish university?
I wanna be YouTuber,
You want to do what?
motivational. I wanna be YouTuber,
Like a
motivational,
motivational speaker?
motivational
Mm.
speaker. Like a motivational, as well as it's my passion. It's my life because I wanna provide knowledge another people's and many people's another, and there are many people's wondering, they have no any ideas how to grow business, how to study start. That's why I want to get in knowledge. I want to provide another person's something, getting new knowledge, new, and how to walk on the road, how to sit, how to there's a how to study, how to focus on
Mm-hmm.
study. It's a many people doesn't know, many people don't know how to start a study, how to make a routine, morning routine, and a morning daily routine. So many people's and some of people's and wondering without target. So first of all, my request, first of all, and this video is, will go on the YouTube app. That's why I'm something speaking.
Yeah.
So I would like to say you, and without knowledge peoples, because they start first of all routine, daily routine. They can start daily routine, and they start automatic. They target. They know the working. They can start something new routine. How I think how to say English, and how to say something in the morning time. Go to
Mm-hmm.
running. Go to gym. Go to
Yeah.
walk. How to start a morning, like meditations in a morning time, as well as so many people have laziness in a 4 o'clock 5 o'clock, because of winter, and India is just and they just started winter here India, so that's why nobody back up in the morning time, 4 o'clock
Right.
5 o'clock,
Nobody
nobody find
wants to
to,
go outside.
yeah, nobody and to go to outside because of winter,
Yeah.
foggy something.
Okay, so you want to like
uh,
help people manage their time? Is it, yeah,
yeah.
and motivate them?
Motivation,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
yeah. Nice.
so, what about you, ma'am? At what time do you back up in a your house, in a morning time, evening time? So
Sorry,
to tell,
can you repeat the question?
at what time do you back up in
Like,
a
do I
morning?
leave my house?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't. um, I
Why?
am studying right now at university, and because of COVID, my school is online. So I
Why?
actually don't leave my
Yes.
house very often. So I wake up.
Do you live with your
Pardon?
do you live with your boyfriend?
Yes, I
Yeah,
do.
alone.
Yeah. Yes.
Boyfriend. Wow, it's a your luck is very
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Luck is
We like it.
yeah, very nice. Your fortune is very awesome. God sent you with the wife and live with boyfriends, but I don't have any chance. I think I will get a chance. God sent me one chance. You can live with girlfriend.
I'm sure it'll happen one day when you're ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. That's
Yeah.
fantastic. But I will get married, and I will decide it. My fiance is good, not good. I don't know. How will I get my fiance good and not good? I think I'm praying God send me good
Yes,
like you
of
girlfriend.
course.
Yeah, you are good, so
It'll
fantastic. That's
happen.
why. Don't mind about
Yeah,
it.
for sure. Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
it was very nice to meet you. We're running out of time now.
yeah, yeah. Absolutely, anytime. So nice to meet you. And I was. It was talking nice talking with you on the Cambly app. I think I will reservation next time with
Okay,
you.
sounds good. So
Okay.
we'll talk next time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Next time. Bye.
bye.
See you.
Have a good day.
Catch up. Have a
Thanks, you
nice
too.
day.